So that brings us to the end of this lecture. Let us quickly do a recap of what we have learned. So use tibble to create tibbles. You can also use as underscore tibble to coerce other objects to tibble. Use inframe to coerce a named vector, atomic vector, to tibble, and use tibble to create tibbles using data entry. That is when you're typing in the data that must be included in the tibble. You can use add underscore row to add a new row of data. You can use add underscore column to add a new column of data. Remove underscore row names will remove row names from data, and row names to column will coerce the row name to the first column of the data set. Column to row names will coerce the first column to row names. That is, it will take the first column of your data set and coerce it to row names. You can use is underscore tibble to test if an object is a tibble. You can use has underscore row names to check whether a data set has row names. You can use has underscore name to check if tibble has a specific columns present in it. And you can use glimpse to get a quick and simple overview of your data. Now all the data sets and all the scripts used in this lecture are available in the learning management system as well as on GitHub. If you need any clarification or if you need any help on any of the topics, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll respond at the earliest. Thank you.